Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make cleaning a breeze, the Gautye Steam Cleaner. We found this handy device online and have included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Gautye Steam Cleaner? This is a versatile handheld steam cleaner designed to tackle various cleaning tasks around your home, office, or even your vehicle. With its 3-level adjustable handle and a comprehensive kit of 18 accessories, this steam cleaner aims to make your cleaning routine more efficient and effective. Let's talk about some of the most important features that set the Gautye Steam Cleaner apart. First, its construction is noteworthy. Made from high-quality ABS polymer material, the main body and the graduated transparent water tank are designed for durability. This means you can rely on it for long-term use without worrying about wear and tear. The rigid internal frame also prevents deformation during operation, ensuring it maintains its structural integrity while you clean. Now, one of the standout features of this steam cleaner is its impressive heating capability. It heats up in just 10 seconds, generating steam at a scorching 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The internal pressurization system delivers steam at a pressure of up to 3 bars, which allows it to penetrate deep into surfaces and tackle even the most stubborn stains. This powerful performance significantly reduces the physical effort required for scrubbing, making it easier to restore surfaces to their original clean state. The Gautye Steam Cleaner comes equipped with a generous 2.11-quart graduated water tank, reducing the frequency of refills. You can easily monitor the water level thanks to its transparent design, and it even supports hot refilling without needing to cool down. Along with a 98-inch power cord and a 79-inch steam hose, it offers a cleaning radius of 14.8 feet, which means you can cover a lot of ground without constantly unplugging and moving it around. Now, who is this steam cleaner suitable for? If you're someone who values cleanliness and efficiency, whether at home or in an office setting, this steam cleaner could be a great addition to your cleaning arsenal. It's particularly useful for busy households where quick and effective cleaning solutions are a must. Additionally, car enthusiasts will find it handy for detailing, as it can tackle dirt and grime in tight spaces. Let's explore some practical use cases for the Gautye Steam Cleaner. It excels at cleaning tile grout, sealed hardwood, and laminate floors, making it perfect for maintaining the beauty of your home. You can refresh upholstery, carpets, and curtains with ease, while also cleaning kitchen appliances, including ovens that often accumulate stubborn grease. The steam cleaner is also effective for bathroom fixtures, helping you to eliminate soap scum and lime scale effortlessly. For those who have vehicles, this steam cleaner is a game changer when it comes to car detailing. It effectively cleans windows and can even refresh the interiors of your car. Outside of the home, it's an excellent tool for cleaning furniture, mattresses, and various sealed hard surfaces, allowing you to tackle soil removal across both indoor and outdoor spaces. The Gautye Steam Cleaner is compact, measuring just 10 by 6 by 7 inches, and features a hidden handle for easy storage. The included 18-piece accessory kit, which features everything from nylon and brass brushes to extension wands and microfiber pads, allows you to adapt the steam cleaner to tackle a wide range of grime without needing extra tools. In summary, if you're in search of a reliable, efficient cleaning solution, the Gautye Steam Cleaner is worth considering. With its impressive features and versatility, it can help you maintain a clean and healthy environment with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.